Okay, guys. So I've seen this online, and I just want to know: is this really Tank Davis? He did something here, parang ang weird, no? Siya nga, no? That's him, right? So anyway, pag-usapan po natin ano ba nangyayari dito kay Tank Davis at ano na ba ngayon ang update kay Casimero. Nagtanong po yung promoter ni Casimero sa kung sino daw yung magandang sunod na ilabang kay Casimero at sumagot ako. Hulaan niyo kung sino sinagot ko. Let me know sa comment section. At yung pinaka-inaabangan na sinasabi nila could change the boxing industry, parang there's something weird, no? Ang Zuffa Boxing po ay magkakaroon na ng event January 23, but it seems like parang antahimik and I cannot see a website. It's just now na alam ko na kung sino yung magme-main event. So is there a media blackout or something, or I don't know, man. Let's talk about the event of Dana White and syempre Casimero at yung mga fans ni Casimero. Bakit ganun? Pag si Casimero nang aasar, tuwan-tuwa kayo. Pero pag siyang inaasar, galit kayo.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Alright, pausunod pa ako sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines, basketball, boxing, MMA, at serbisyong totoo lang, no, matapang balanse, laging tapat. Trabaho lamang po, wala pong personalan. At speaking of trabaho, pag-usapan muna natin, mamaya na si Casimero. But good morning po sa inyo lahat. Ngayon po, nire-record ko po ito ng January 12 morning. Mamayang gabi po, samahan niyo po ako. I have a very important issue for Philippine boxing, and of course, yung fight week natin, fight to week na mangyayari po for the big fight for the weekend. Hindi masyado big fight para sa mga Pilipino, para sa mga boxing fans na kagaya mo. I'm sure it's a big fight. But so let's go ahead and look at this one first. Uh, Monday ngayon Monday. So every Monday, boxing night tayo. Look at this. Tank Davis, naka-Memphis Grizzlies. Crossover ba siya? Kala ko nung una, lookalike lang ni Tank Davis. But like that, I mean, that's literally him, right? Although this was posted on the Tank Davis Brazil. So ang ginawa ko, I search on Tank Davis mismo sa Instagram niya mismo. Parang siguro stories ito na nilagay kasi wala na no? So naisip-isip niya, baka pagtripan lang ako ng mga tao dito. But let's try and search Tank Davis. Dapat kasi may laban siya pero ngayon parang wala yan na yata no? Wala na siya mga laban. So Tank Davis medyo kumbaga yung kanyang buhay outside of boxing, medyo maalog ngayon because of his legal issues. So he needs to resolve that first. I don't know if he's really retiring because we've heard before na mag-retire na siya eh. So, but I don't think it's final in boxing. There's no final, especially pag kailangan mo ng pera and ang mga boksingero, naghahanap yan ng sakit ng katawan. Anyway, aside from that, before we talk about the Sufa boxing, I also wanted to share, ito yung isa sa mga pag-uusapan natin mamaya. We'll talk more in detail, but just so you know, the big fight for the weekend is Nikita Chu versus Michael Serafa. This is going to be in Australia, in Brisbane. So this is Friday, January 16, 4 p.m. So mga around 7 p.m. siguro yung main event nito. I think, oh yeah, I know there's Filipino here lalaban. So tingnan ko na nga muna. I think dito yung mga Filipino na lalaban eh. Yung, if I'm not mistaken, dito lalaban si, yung bata ni Rich Don. Dito yata eh. Tsaka si, hindi dito. Ayan, ito nga, si Jomar Aliwen tsaka Rodix Piala. So, we are certainly gonna do a commentary on this one. So, ililista ko na commentary Rodix Piala and itong si Jomar Paliwen. Makakilala natin ito personally. So, let's support them, guys. And kung ngayon mo lang nalaman itong balita na ito, pa-comment naman, guys, and pa-share po para po mas marami. I wanna really go ahead and not just give you entertainment, hindi lang yung makipag-asaran tayo. We wanna give pure boxing and sports news para po meron namang may substance naman yung pinag-uusapan natin. So, that's one of the event. The other event is for the weekend, Alexis Rocha versus Ruel Coriel. This is also going to be a good fight. Manuel Flores and George Chavez is going to be there. So this is going to be happening in California and promoted by Golden Boy Boxing Promotions. So, speaking of promotion, have you heard of the Zuffa Boxing? So, last year, ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking usapan, no, na and Sufa tried. I do not know if there's any update, but Sufa and Dana White from the historically, they can nakakapag sila nakakapag kumaga nagawa nila ng paraan yung MMA, yung UFC to be legalized. It wasn't legal in a lot of state before until it become global. So I do not know how they would make it big, but I'm just really wondering what's happening. So Sufa Boxing shows planned for January 23 on Paramount Plus, but there's not a lot of kumbaga materials or marketing that we've seen about this. Not even a trailer video. I don't know kung may poster. Yeah, and the main event wasn't even kumbaga he hindi nga siya nalabas agad eh. So, January 23 by TKO Group. Tingnan natin kung meron dito. Wala eh. So, ito yung Zuffa. Yan. So, Walsh to face Ocampo. Dana White, Eddie Hearn, suddenly confrontational. So, okay. Medyo may mga issue pa. Paramount launch UFC streaming, sir. Okay. So, ang magiging main event ng Zuffa for the first event, January 23, is Callum Walsh versus Carlos Ocampo. Usually, guys, makikita natin yan dapat dito sa Ring Magazine. But Ring Magazine is not posting it as well. So, we know that there are parang may mga yata, may mga issue yata. So, tingnan ko muna kung may poster. Search natin are there any UFC? Whoa, this one? This was the different, no? Wala, guys. So this is weird. Walang website yung Zuffa Boxing eh. If you type Zuffa Boxing, if you type Zuffa Boxing, wala eh, oh. Wala. MMA ang mga tumutulong pa. So, medyo may blockade yata for now. So, this is gonna be a real challenge for Zuffa. Zuffa 01 at the UFC Apex lang. So, this is gonna be kind of a small event for now. Callum Walsh versus Ocampo. Sehi Bohachuk versus Butaev. Great records for the fighters, but that's it. There's really no one else. So I don't know how Sufa is planning to do this. So medyo nagiging secretive siguro sila, at least the public. I'm sure the insider in the US or in Vegas knows what's happening. So that's it. Wala talaga. Let me see if nasa BoxRec yung laban nila. This is weird, no? Ang weird nito na wala. Callum Walsh. Wala rin sa BoxRec. So, this could be abangan natin ang sunod na kabanata. I do not know what's next for this one. But I do know that itong transition na takay kasi meron. Kung umabot ka dito, pa-comment naman ng kasi meron update na dol. Tol, hindi dol kasi meron update na. So, ito po si Twitter handle or X handle ni Koki Kameda. And so translation, any ideas who should Casimir fight next? So, as of right now, wala pa. So, there's already a rumor that mid-year, mapapalaban ulit, baka May or April. And of course, yours truly commented Luis Neri. Gaya na sinabi ko sa inyo, personally, they might hate me, but for me, wala sa akin yun. Trabaho lang sa akin. And nakikipag-asaran lang ako. But I do really want him to have a big fight. And that's the Luis Neri fight. I think is the biggest, most possible fight for Casimero. So, marami na rin mga Japanese, no? Pero I see Luis Neri, let's go, General Casimero. Hindi ko alam kung original na siya yan. Luis Neri din ang mga nagpa-post. Ito, please Sir Koki, may give him the top 10 in 4 major sanctioning by 3 division world champion kasi may the number pound for pound king of the Philippines. Yan, okay. Ito medyo mahaba. I'm curious what he said. For Kazuki, he wants to take one last big gamble, aim for an upset if possible. Go out and blaze glory. Okay, so basically the fans are saying that they want to see Casemiro in a big fight. I think everyone wants to see Casemiro in a big fight. And I'm sure everyone agrees, but that wouldn't happen unless the promoter makes that fight happen. And so hopefully Koki Kameda and his promotions do something to make it happen because kumbaga sa fans kaya naaasar yan si Casemiro kasi ilang taon nang puro mas mababa sa kanya. I'm not gonna say low level, pero mas mababa naman talaga sa kanya yung mga nakalaban niya. So, matik na talaga siyang mananalo. Let's try and challenge Casemiro and let's try to make some money. Di ba? So, sana mangyari yung kay Luis Neri. What do you think? Meron pa bang iba? And who do you think, sino kaya ang magiging ending na kalaban ni Casemiro? Sana it's possible na hapon na naman, pero sana mataas-taas naman yung level. Yung medyo mahihirapan naman. Yung magandang laban.